Poweronics, a power electronics company, revolutionized its inventory management and customer experience through innovative software solutions. Colin Hart, the managing director, states confidently, "We've never had a material shortage after adopting MRPeasy." Based in St. Neots, England, Poweronics specializes in designing gate drivers for high-power applications like IGBTs and MOSFETs. With roots from a management buyout in October 2022, Poweronics embraced over a decade of expertise and a fresh start. They focus not only on proprietary products, but also on bespoke contract manufacturing for demanding client needs. The realization for better control over their 1,200 components led them to seek effective manufacturing management software. After initial setbacks with onboarding a previous system, the team prioritized functionality over flashy features when selecting software. MRPeasy quickly became the go-to solution, streamlining setup to just 3 hours, managing everything from SKUs to orders efficiently. Post-implementation, Poweronics achieves near-total inventory control, eliminating shortages and enhancing customer quote response times dramatically. Colin declares, "I'd definitely say MRPeasy is a strong contender for any business looking at manufacturing ERP software."